Hi guys, welcome back to the part 2 of my cheap Shopee makeup haul. So there was too many items to open up to show you guys. This is the second part of the video. So let's go into it. Okay. This is the item Magic, it's not focusing yet. This Magic Casa Vigor Bang Bang Powder Blusher Stick. They have like such long names for the products. In color 02. I'm gonna open this up. Oh, it looks like a lipstick. Cute. Twist it. Oh, it's like this cute little. The color looks super cute. Can you guys see it? Yes. You just try out. How do you use it? Like, oh, the blush is here. You kind of just pat it. I don't know if you guys can see it. You just try it on my hands. Because again, it's a very light pink, so the color is not really like showing, but because of its light pink, it's like popping. How do I explain this? It pops out. So I think I can use this as a very natural highlighter. If you want like maybe it's like this to pop up a little bit more, you can use light pink color like this. So it looks very natural, but it pops up. That makes sense. So far, I think it's pretty good because we need pop colors like this to highlight, because sometimes, you know, the too obvious kind of highlighter is a bit too much for like a natural makeup. These are great. I bought 3 of these. I think you guys have seen the first, I think it was 2 years ago, I put up my first Shopee makeup haul video. There was this Sweetmint thin eyeliner and I love them so much. I think I bought like 5 or 6 pens so far. I restocked. I bought 3 of it, 1 in the color 03 and 2 in 04, because I love using them as like, you know, like little eyebrow strokes. If you guys have seen some of my tutorials, I use them a lot. So these are great. I'm gonna open it and show it to you guys. For those who have not seen it yet, it looks like this. Very inexpensive and one of the most useful makeup tools I've ever purchased. Super affordable. I think it's only like 2 or 3 ringgit. It's 2 ringgit and 92 cents. This one. Super affordable. Let me just open up the cap and show you guys. It's super thin. Very useful. Show you guys. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like super thin strokes. One of my favorite. Have to buy this. Even better than the MAC one. Really. Next item, more brush. I bought this brush for eyebrows. I don't know. I'm gonna show you guys the picture that they here. This is the effect that they showed us on the product page. Let me just try. You open up this. Let me try. It kind of looks like the image, but it's not easy to control. Yep. Let me try again. Yeah, it's not easy to control. It just looks like a patch. I really need to learn how to use this. Maybe I'm gonna let you guys know after I learn a little more. Maybe I need training to use this, but not that easy to use. So it looks very patchy, you see. Everything's clumpy. It's okay. If you want like little strokes of eyebrows, buy that skinny eyeliner, the Sweetmint one, or the previous video I bought this new, what was it called? Yeah, the CC one or the Sweetmint one will be much better than this. And I bought this GegeBear Gem Lip Honey. Let's open it up. It says, usage, apply the product evenly on the lips. As if I don't know. Isn't that how you apply lip colors? Ooh, this is how it looks like. It's like a little bottle. Cute! It looks super cute. This is the color. I don't know, it's kind of weird. There's little bubbles on it. Can you guys see? The color is nice, but there's little bubbles. Should I be concerned? It smells like cheap makeup. There's a fragrance, but cheap fragrance. Let me just try and get a brush. Okay, let me just use like a little cotton bud to try out this. Oh, it's very like jelly-like. Oh. It feels pretty good on the lips. I don't really like the fragrance, the smell. Let me check my mirror. But the color is super cute, like sweet pink. The color is, I love the color, very natural, sweet pink. But one thing is for sure, it does not look as glossy as it is on the picture. Let me show you the picture, the product picture here. No, nowhere near those glassness, you know. It's just, how much is it? 4 ringgit. Not gonna complain much. Don't like the taste, don't like the smell. But the color is cute. I would wear it. Not as glossy as the picture. This one is a mascara set because I think there's like 2 bottles, one mascara fiber and one actual mascara. Open it up. So when I was really young, I used to love this type of mascara with like fiber and the mascara because it makes your lashes like really thick. Let me see. There's like these 2 items inside there. And there's this very cute girl in front. Cute. It says that it doesn't smudge and it will last and it's gonna give us curls. Very good claims. Very impressive claims. I want to try them out on my lower lash. I already put like false lashes on my upper lash, but I don't have anything for my lower lash, so we can try this out. Looks like this. I think that's the mascara part. Just normal black mascara. This one, yeah, this one's the fiber. Can you guys see like the little fibers there? Okay, how do I use this? Let me just read the instructions. Okay, you're supposed to use the mascara first and then use the fiber on 1/3 of your lashes and then use the mascara again. Let me try. so far just the mascara itself, the lower lash, not too bad. Let me try the fiber. Okay, it doesn't really stick. Okay, wow. It looks kind of weird now. Like kind of like spider-like. The fibers is like everywhere. Maybe I need some training on how to use this. And they say use the mascara again. Okay, this thing is not easy to apply, just for information. I need to use it for a few more times to get used to it, but the fiber is really not easy to apply. It looks pretty good though. I think you guys see without the lower lash. Not too bad, but I think I need to use it a few more times because the fiber is like going everywhere. Not too bad. Is it waterproof though? Let me check. Okay, it says that it is waterproof and sweat-proof. So far pretty good. Another one of the GegeBear. There's no English name, but it's a blush. Let's open it up. This is the number 02. Oh! Can you guys see this? It's cute. I like the packaging. It's like a baby pink and there's like a logo, the G and the B. The front, back. Let's open it up. It's like a little cushion, baby cushion, but blush cushion. It's so cute. It's tiny. It's cute. Okay, let's see the color. Oh, I bought this like little peachy kind of color. Let's try. I already have a lot of blush on my face, but I'm just gonna try it on this part of my. Do you guys see anything? Another color that is not showing. Maybe I need more. Okay, you guys know what? There's no color. The pigmentation is really bad. No, don't bother buying this. Next item is this one. Uslike. Wait, what is this? It's supposed to be some kind of powder. I think there's no product. Oh, there is. Oh, it's a loose powder in number 03. Let me open it up. This is the packaging, very colorful. Not my favorite kind of color. Let's see. The puff is okay actually. The puff is pretty good. Very soft, velvety. Supposed to open this. Oh, I bought this. Yeah, this is a loose powder in baby blue. Can you see it? You must be asking, why is someone buying loose powder in baby blue? It's meant to pop your face a little bit more. Like the light pink, but in light blue. light blue. I don't, can you guys see it? Yep, it's a loose powder in light blue. Try it here. It smells like baby powder. The powder feels smooth. Let me try again. The powder feels pretty good actually. I love the color, the light ice baby blue-ish, kind of whitish blue. Very baby powder-ish color. So I personally don't like the smell of baby powder, but some people do love it. I think so far it's pretty good. The texture feels good. I have to like try this on my whole face before letting you know, but personally I don't like the packaging and I don't like the smell of it. But the texture of the powder and the color is okay. I would like to use it. The last item I purchased is this heated rollers. I've had heated rollers last time, but it broke down. I wanted new ones and I saw this. They're like 60 ringgit after discount, I think, with shipping. Very inexpensive, so I wanted to try them out. And the packaging, super old school. Looks like some super cheap heated rollers, but they are super cheap. And they look, let's open. Oh, there's this little pouch, waterproof pouch. Pouch is pretty good. They look like this. Okay, these are not plugs that we usually use, so they gave us this adapter. Have to use adapter, and there's an instruction manual. Very old school. Even look at the instruction manual. It's like they haven't updated the manual for like 30 years or something. I have not seen this type of manual for like a long time. Okay, let's check out the curlers itself. Okay, there's 10 of it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's 6 of the bigger rollers and 4 of the smaller ones. The bigger ones are these. There's like a little rod on the bottom. Put it here. So far, it looks tiny, but it looks like it would very good for travel and stuff. I already have my hair curled today, so I'm gonna do another video using this one to curl my hair and to see how it lasts, to see how the curls looks like. So stay tuned for the next video. So far, it just looks very old school, but it looks pretty good. Guys, thank you for watching my makeup haul, my Shopee cheap makeup haul. So I'm gonna list the items below. If I don't list the items, it means that the items is just not available, or you can just screenshot and try to put it in Shopee and find it. I am not sponsored by anyone in this video, and all of the opinions are based on my own opinion, my current opinion. I might have different opinions in the future. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. See you on next.